boys and girls, it's Diego with the beautiful Karina, my lovely prometida. And we're in the K1 Visa rowboat with you guys, rowing down the Rio, waiting for our National Visa Center welcome letter, our MVC welcome letter from the beautiful state of New Hampshire. Now, our NOA 1 letter is dated April 18th, 2022. Our NOA 2 letter is dated May 30th, 2023, which is a total of 407 days. So that's a lot of time. 9,768 hours for you guys who want to count hours. But we don't do that. We just waited out the process. This video, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, is about if you are a beneficiary, okay, and you live in a communist country, you know, this video is for you guys. So pay attention. Now, Karina, my prometida, she is a Venezuelan citizen. She was formerly a resident of Caracas, Venezuela, but she didn't like the government. She didn't like Maduro. She didn't like the communist dictatorship in that beautiful country, so she relocated to beautiful Colombia in 2018. Okay, so she's a legal resident of Colombia. I live in the Panhandle of Florida, which is near Pensacola, north of Navarre Beach. And Navarre Beach is where we're going to get married. We can't wait for that day, but we're waiting and waiting and waiting. Just like you guys. Okay, now, this is about Communist Party affiliation for K1 visa beneficiaries. Pay attention, it's very important. Now, the United States government, the United States is a constitutional republic. We are a republic, okay? We are a representative government. You're free. When you get your K1 visa, you marry your American citizen sponsor, you become a free person. And once you get your, if you live in a communist country, and once you get your once you get your green card, okay, you have the rights and benefits of an American, all right? So, according to the United States government, okay, anyone who is affiliated with a communist organization or a communist government is ineligible to apply for a fiancé visa. Okay? You cannot adjust your status to get a green card. All right? So if you live in a communist country like Cuba or Venezuela or Vietnam or Nicaragua, okay, and I'm sure I maybe missed one or two, you come to the, you will not get your visa. You won't get it. You will not be eligible for it if you are a part of any communist organization in those countries. Now, like anything in this world, there are some exemptions, okay, exemptions. If the membership was involuntary, okay, you were forced to join by these dictators, okay. If you are under the age of 16, okay, by operational law, by the UN congressional law, for the purpose of obtaining employment, food rations, or any other essential living conditions. If you had to be a member of the Communist Party in order to eat, feed yourself, and put a roof over your head, the U.S. government will take a look at that. Okay? Now, your membership, if you were a member of the Communist Party or affiliated, must be terminated at least 2 years before you apply for admission to the United States of America. Okay? Now, this way that the U.S. government feels that you are not a threat, okay, to the U.S. security of our country, of our republic. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. When you fill out the DS-160 for the K1 visa or the DS-260 for the spousal visa, you're going to get a question: have you ever been a member of the Communist Party? Okay? If you have, and if you were forced into it involuntarily, you need to explain that. Okay? So if you live in communist China, if you live in communist Nicaragua, if you live in communist Venezuela, if you live in communist Vietnam or any other NISM country, you're going to get asked on the DS-160 your affiliation. Okay? And they take it seriously. Hang in there, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Don't forget I do a live stream on Mondays at 7 p.m., Wednesdays at 7 p.m., and Saturdays at 7 p.m. Central Time, where you can join Diego live for all your questions and answer sessions on the live stream. If you got a question, I'm going to help you with it for free. It won't cost you a penny, okay? I've been through the K-1 visa process twice and a spousal visa once. So I know how this process operates, okay? I know how it rolls. And I want to give you all this knowledge in my head and give it to you for free. Now, I'm not an immigration attorney. I don't work for USCIS. I don't work for the State Department. I don't work for immigration or anything like that. It's just free information, free advice to help you get through this process. Thanks for watching, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Relax. You're going to get through this process. We're going to help you. Be calm, be patient, be relaxed. Don't stress it. The biggest secret to getting your K-1 visa with a calm mind is patience. See you at the live streams.
I'll be back.